Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be getting on with the Rewire. So what I'm going to do is going to show you how we go about the Rewire, putting cables in and all the rest of it. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, the link's in the corner, and if you have subscribed, thank you very much, do massively appreciate it. So what we're going to do, we'll show you how we set up, best plan for this house with it, and really I suppose start just getting on with it. So what I always do is plan out my cable routes first. So the consumer unit's under here, which is the garage, is directly below this room. So I've got all my holes drilled. So this main run coming down this way is going to be leading off to basically the back section of the house, the kitchen, dining area, and the bit that obviously we're working on. And then what we've done, we've punched a hole through that way to get the ring main, ring final, as I've been pulled up on before, but everyone knows it as ring main, so whatever. So what we're doing now, we've drilled another set of holes through, so that's going to take care of this section of the house, so the front section. So what we've done is we've drilled 100mm holes in the ceiling, and then because we're trying to protect the coving, we've drilled up behind there, and then we feed all these cables down. So there's a socket there, one over there. So what we'll do, sorry Steve-o, we will have them all hanging down, so we'll get all our cables in for the ground floor, and then we'll obviously for the lights and all the rest of it. Once we've got all those sorted, we'll then go around and go, right, okay, let's get the upstairs circuits all run in, and then we'll do all the chasing in one go. That's the way we find it works best for us. If anyone's got a different way of doing it, the way they like to do it, then obviously just leave it in the comments below. Sorry, it's a bit tight around here. So in the kitchen, we pulled all the ceilings down, so they're all down at the minute. So we've got, like, steels are all going to be going in across here. So the plan is to get the cables are going to be coming through, because that landing bit's up there, and then they're going to run all the way down and then come across the back, that section, and then they're going to come through here to get the dining room over there. So we've got, well, we think we found where the supply is for the conservatory. Now the conservatory, don't want that messing with, because it's all face brickwork, well, believe it or not, all behind there. So there's a couple of sockets down there, and there's a socket up there, which we're going to get that one from the kitchen, but it's fed from this socket here. So we're going to put a switch spur on to the side of that, and then we're going to test that out, make sure it's all okay. If it's not, it's going to have to be rewired. We can do it externally on there, but basically the mum and dad, they don't want me to do that. So like I say, it is my mum and dad's house, this one. They don't want me to do that. They want me to leave that alone if possible. So yeah, so that's where we're at. I'll set you up on time lapse, we'll start putting some cables in, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit. So that's the ring main ran in now for the ground floor. Well, the ground floor ring main. So it's basically, essentially, that is this room, the dining room, and the hallway. We've put sockets either side of here. There's going to be one down here eventually for the provisions of potentially a stair lift. There you go, Dad. See if you like that. My dad hates stair lifts, but you know, it's in. She's ready to go. So we'll do all all the chasing and stuff. So we're going to now start the. What do you want to do next, Steve?
Well, cable wise, I'd say the upstairs ring.
Yeah, I'm going to go with the upstairs ring.
You got another 2?
Yeah, I got another 2.5. We waiting for delivery now for the lighting. So yeah, so we'll get on with the upstairs ring main, I reckon, and we'll see how that goes. Hopefully that goes as well as the ground floor. So we'll see. So where we're at now is we've got pretty much most of the upstairs ring main cables in. So what we do, drill down behind the skirting board, down into what is obviously the kitchen below there. So we've got the cables up either side, and I'll rattle around this way. So one either side of the bed in this room, one up here. So that's basically where we're at. The day's dragged on. Unfortunately, we've had some other bits and bobs we needed to sort out. So that's pretty much the end of the day today. If you like the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the corner. But thanks for watching, and I appreciate your support. Cheers.